Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about how you can name in your file in the Sketchbook app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. First and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Sketchbook app, then tap on the new bar on the left hand side and select the new sketch. So here you need to tap on the 3-line option and press on the add and 3-line option again. So here you can find the untitled option, so simply go there and type in your name and press the done button. So once you do this, your file will be now named as per your preference and as you saved it before. So this is how you name a file in your Sketchbook app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.